How to generate images with Stable Diffusion. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to dive into a step-by-step guide on how to use Stable Diffusion to create beautiful, realistic images, even if you're a beginner. So let's just get started. First, you want to go over to your web browser, go to the search bar and open a Stable Diffusion platform. You can just go ahead and search for Stable Diffusion and you can find different platforms over here like Hugging Face, Mage.space or Automatic 111 Web UI. And if you have installed it locally, you can open it again. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and open up Hugging Face over here. And you can log in or create a free account if needed. Then once you are in, you need to look for a text box that says prompt right here. You can enter prompt and then you can just go ahead and type in something like a futuristic city at sunset, and then you can just go ahead and add other details like ultra realistic, and you could also do 4K, something like that. All right, so once that is done, you can just go ahead and tap on generate. The next thing you need to do here is you can choose a model version such as ST 1.5 or STXL, depending on how detailed you want your image to be. Then you can set the image size as well. And once you have it, you could just go ahead and higher the values to get more accurate results, but it's going to take a longer time. So this one is pretty basic, so I can just click on it and you have your image right over here. It's currently low quality, but you can increase the quality accordingly. And once the image has been created, you could download the image by clicking on this download button right over here, and you'll be good to go. So that's basically it, guys. You've just learned how to create an imaging AIR using Stable Diffusion step by step. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button down below. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.